Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a poll on Telegram desktop. Polls are a simple way to gather opinions, schedule events, or ask questions in your Telegram groups and channels. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once Telegram opens, select the group or channel where you want to create the poll. In the chat window, click the attachment icon next to the message box. From the menu that appears, select Poll. The new poll window will open. Under the Question section, enter the question you want to ask. For example, which time should the discussion start? If needed, you can also add an optional description below the question. Next, under Poll Options, enter the choices for your poll. For example, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 4 o'clock. To add more choices, click Add an Option. Telegram allows you to add several options to a poll. Scroll down to the Settings section. If you want voters to select more than one option, enable Allow Multiple Answers. You can also enable Allow Re-voting if you want participants to be able to change their vote later. Turn on Shuffle Options if you want Telegram to display the answers in a random order for each voter. If you're creating a quiz, enable Set Correct Answer and choose the correct option. For channels with subscribers, you may also see options such as Restrict to Subscribers, Limit by Country, and Limit Duration to control who can vote and when the poll closes. After reviewing all your settings, click Create in the bottom right corner of the window. The poll will immediately be posted in the chat. Members can now vote, and the results will update automatically as responses come in. And that is how to make a poll on Telegram desktop. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. See you in the next video.